Hey guys, this is Brianna with B.A.C.K, and I just wanted to show you guys how our allowance tracker works. So I got this idea from my brother since he will be going into high school, and I thought this is something he would really use, and I assume a lot of other kids probably would enjoy using something like this to see their progress on how much they're saving. So as simple as adding the date, did they do their chores, how much they earn, did they spend any of that, and what the total is after that. And it is all up to however much they get paid. Do they get paid weekly? Do they get paid monthly? Basically, this is a teenage checkbook where you keep track of all the money coming in and all the money spent, so you can have a savings and you are aware of how much you're spending, so you can practice your healthy spending habits. So thank you guys for checking this out. This is on our vault under the downloadables for only $1, and all the money goes back right into our B.A.C.K program. We appreciate you guys so much. Have a great day, and don't forget that we got your back.